There once was a young wolf girl whose parents didn't love her anymore, so they threw her in the river. She floated further downstream until she eventually settled upon the bank, where the matron of a local all-girls orphanage took her in. They tried to get her to fit in with the other girls, but she was having none of it. But eventually she chose to give in. It was tough though, because while accepting for some, most of the girls were a bit judgy. This made the young wolf girl very sad. Adolescence proved to be difficult as well. Though there are many suitors, there are also many complications. One day at the beach, though, she got an idea. Next thing you know, they'll want to vote. Well, it could be worse. Could be my wife.